Hello beautiful people, and welcome to another video where I'm going to be teaching you how to complete your profile on Exness. So after creating your Exness, verifying your email, your phone number, and updating your personal information, you will need to identify yourself. This is one of the rules that every platform or every business does, and it is called KYC, and it in full it's called know your customer. So these are one of the rules that the government issues for every platform online. So what you need to do is just click on complete profile. So you need to have your ID card already snapped before coming to complete your profile. So once you click on complete profile, you first of all be walked through this phase where you will need to add some additional information about yourself. So we are going to quickly go over that. And voila, once you have chosen all the fields and filled all the fields, all you need to do next is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you see you need to make sure here that your names are in full, so you can still edit them here to make sure your names are in full as they appear on your document. So I'm going to add in this so that it fits all the names that are on my document, and after that you click save. Once it is saved, now you can upload your documents. Once you click on upload documents, you'll be redirected to the page where you will need to upload your documents. You'll need to upload the back and front of your document, and with Exness you can upload your ID card, your passport, your driver's license, your resident permit, or your old ID. So you just need to choose your country. After you choose your country, you select the document you want to upload and make sure to follow all the rules that are clearly stated here. So here you will upload the front of your document and you upload the back of your document. After you have done that, you click on submit document. So once you are done, your ID will be immediately verified if it has no problems. So you need to make sure it is clear. You need to make sure it is very readable. And after you have done that, you will need to upload a proof of residence, which can either be a bill, a bank statement, a proof of residence ordered by the government, and you follow the same procedure that we have used to upload that we have explained on uploading your ID. So after when you have done that, your account will be fully verified, and now you are fit to do whatever you want to do. You can deposit some funds, and in the next video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a trading account and how to link it to your MT4 and how to deposit into your trading account. Thank you and have a great time. See you in the next video.